FastMCP 3 implements a transform-based visibility control system that dynamically filters tool discovery through a pipeline of component modifications. This server-level transform architecture allows runtime adjustment of tool availability without altering the underlying component registry. The upcoming code demonstrates how visibility transforms can globally suppress admin-tagged tools while simultaneously enabling regex-based search discovery, effectively replacing the full tool catalog with an on-demand search interface. You'll see the visibility transform applied first to filter components, followed by a RegexSearchTransform that exposes only search and execution proxies to clients. From FastMCP Server Transforms, import visibility. From FastMCP Server Transforms Search, import RegexSearchTransform. MCP equals FastMCP my server. Hash define tools. Hash disable admin tools globally. MCP add transform visibility false, tags equals admin. Hash add search, admin tools won't appear in results. MCP add transform reject search transform. This code demonstrates how FastMCP uses server-level transforms to control tool visibility and discovery. The visibility transform filters out all tools tagged as admin from the tool listing, effectively hiding them from clients. This is a global filter applied to the entire server, operating as a pure function that modifies the tool sequence before it reaches clients. The RegexSearchTransform then replaces the standard tool listing with a search-based discovery interface. Instead of exposing all tools up front, clients see only two synthetic tools: search tools for discovery and call tool for execution. The search transform respects the visibility rules, so admin tools filtered by the visibility transform won't appear in search results either. This layered approach separates discovery from access tools remain callable if you know their names, but won't clutter listings or search results. The pattern shows how transforms compose in FastMCP's pipeline architecture. Visibility filters run first to control what's visible, then search transforms modify how those visible tools are presented. Both operate on the tool sequence flowing through the server, with search transforms adding synthetic tools while respecting prior visibility rules. This composition allows fine-grained control over tool exposure without breaking direct access to tools when needed. Let's break it down. From FastMCP Server Transforms, import visibility. Imports the visibility class from the FastMCP Server Transforms module, which is a transform component used to modify how tools components are exposed to clients in the FastMCP server pipeline. From FastMCP Server Transform Search, import RegexSearchTransform. Imports the RegexSearchTransform class from the FastMCP server Transforms module, which provides regex-based search transformation capabilities for modifying components as they flow through the server. MCP equals FastMCP my server. Creates a FastMCP instance named MCP with the server identifier my server. The string parameter serves as a label for identification in MCP protocol handshakes, allowing clients to recognize this server instance during communication. Hash disable admin tools globally. MCP add transform visibility false, tags equals admin. Adds a server-level transform that hides all components tagged with admin by setting their visibility to false. This transform will apply globally across all providers, filtering out admin tools from client visibility. MCP add transform reject search transform. Adds a RegexSearchTransform instance to the MCP transform pipeline. This transform will process components flowing through the server by applying regex-based search modifications to tool names or descriptions. The transform operates as a filter in the component flow, modifying how tools are presented to clients when requested. FastMCP3's transform pipeline demonstrates how visibility and discovery can be decoupled through composable server-level transforms. The visibility transform acts as a global filter, removing admin-tagged tools from the component sequence before it reaches clients. This pure function approach ensures admin tools are hidden across all interfaces. The RegexSearchTransform then replaces the standard tool listing with search-based discovery, exposing only synthetic search and execution proxies while respecting the visibility rules established earlier. The key insight is the pipeline's composition order visibility filters run first to control what's visible. Then search transforms modify how those visible tools are presented. This layered approach maintains direct tool accessibility when needed while providing fine-grained control over discovery interfaces. The pattern shows how transforms compose to separate concerns. Visibility controls access, while search transforms control presentation, both operating on the same component flow through the server.
The server S enable digs up buried admin tools, while search mutters forbidden names to the shadows.